Vintage Confidential Dead Celebrity Edition, J. Edgar Hoover. Shown here in this 1942 press release is J. Edgar Hoover and his boyfriend, Clyde Tolson, getting married. That's why I'm dressed up. Seriously, this is a really cool press release. Let me just read you one line. 7 of the 8 Nazis armed with explosives and incendiary devices landed upon American shores in June from Nazi submarines. They then were presented to the Supreme Court that seemed to involve sabotage of the government. So it's good to know the Supreme Court has handled this problem before, because they're going to handle it again.